All right, this is a video response to a question that was in the Edelbrock forum. This is my 92S10 with the Edelbrock pro-flo 4 XT. The question related to adding a relay for the fuel pump in the system. The way I solved my problem, because I also am running some high current fans, so I used a heavy gauge wire directly from the battery to a small fuse box here. So I got this heavy wire feeds these was it 5 fuses. Then each of these 5 fuses individually feeds different component of the system. So I've got my power in runs around all the way around to the other side of the engine compartment to this box here that I got off of Amazon. Inside this box is additional fuses. Each of these fuses runs is on the output side of these relays. This relay here is not connected to anything yet. It will eventually be my AC command relay. So the first fuses you saw over there protect the wire from the battery to the fuse box, or to the relay box. Then these fuses here protect the wire from the relay box to the component being driven. The downside to this box is that you do require a special type of crimping pliers to crimp the connections, because these connections are not made. You get this box with a bag full of spade connectors that you have to crimp onto the wire and then push into the holders here for both the relays and the fuses. So you need to have that special type of pliers to crimp those properly, which you can find those on Amazon also. So I want to talk real quick about the box itself. A couple of photos here. So this is the layout of the box as you would find it on Amazon. These are photos actually taken from Amazon of the box that I bought for my project. This next slide here just shows how the box comes in 3 pieces. It's not waterproof, so if you're going to use it in an off-road application, it might be a better box for you. This one here is okay if it's inside of your engine compartment and it's just either a track vehicle or a highway vehicle. Mine is just a daily driver, and I don't do any off-roading with it. This next slide here shows the pins that I was talking about that need that special crimping tool. And if you're not familiar with how these go together, there's a lot of videos on YouTube that you can find that explain how to crimp these connectors and how to use the tool. The next couple slides here, just some more photos of that box. And here is the crimping tool, and I'm not sure if this is the actual tool that I have. I couldn't find the packaging for my tool, and I don't honestly remember if I got it from eBay or Amazon. Either way, it's something very similar to this, and it crimps the little wings of the connector down into the wire, and it's just got a special jaw that crimps those down. I've been told, and I've actually seen videos of people that have done it using regular crimping pliers, but this just makes a nice, clean, more factory-looking crimp, and it works really well. So I want to say my crimping tool was about 15 bucks, and so if you're trying to do a nice professional-looking job, that's probably not a bad price for a tool like that. Now, if you're doing something commercial and you're going to use it every day, you get what you pay for. These crimping tools, you can buy them for a couple $100. But for one-time use or an occasional use, this is not a bad tool.